All right. Hello and welcome to Workforce Flathead's Opportunity Fair. We're glad to have everybody today joining us virtually. My name is Luke Lavin and I'm with Flathead Valley Community College and I will be moderating today's panel. A few housekeeping items first. Just a reminder that all the webinars are being recorded and will be posted on workforceflathead.com as well as the Job Service Kalispell's YouTube channel. We will save time at the end, hopefully, for some questions. So if anybody in the audience has any questions, you can submit those through the Q&A feature on your screen. And then at the end, we'll also share the contact information, the website for proof, again, with any job seekers that, where to go next. But otherwise, I'd like to welcome Jim Wright. Thank you for joining us today. And want to tell us a little bit about what you do at Proof?
Good morning, everybody. And first of all, thank you for having me here. I look forward to discussing our business with us. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Proof Research, so I run all of our manufacturing operations.
Awesome. And how long have you been at Proof?
I've been here 7 years. The company's been around for about 9 years, and I've been here 7.
Okay, awesome. If anybody watching has not been to their facility, I highly recommend going. I took a tour last year, or maybe it's 2 years ago now, at the manufacturing week, and it was an impressive place. It was awesome. Well, great.
Thank you.
Well, do you have a video you want to share with us?
Sure. I've got a short, I think it's about 2.5-minute video. It gives a little background of who Proof Research is. We have 2 facilities. Our main facility is here in Montana. We have around about 100 people working here. We also have a second facility in Dayton, Ohio, that is more of our carbon fiber expertise, and they work with a lot of the aerospace, Department of Defense with carbon fibers in Dayton. So I'll just share this short video with you to give you a little background of who we are, what we do. Let me share my screen with you. Share. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go.
At Proof Research, it is our duty to support those who journey to the stars, strengthen those, pilot the skies, reinforce those, demand performance, protect those, defend our freedoms. We're not new to the firearms industry. We've redefined extreme accuracy and performance. Our rifles and barrels have scaled mountains, champion competitive marksmen, and served military warfighters and law enforcement officers all over the world. Your barrel, stock, or complete rifle shares its heritage with defense weapon systems like the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter and the iconic B-2 bomber. Our advanced composite division is a team of engineers researching, testing, and developing composite materials technology for the most advanced applications in the world. Our composite materials enable the most advanced, highly engineered aircraft and performance race cars to go faster, fly higher, go farther, and carry more. As a testament to our success, Proof carbon fiber composite barrels are the only ones in use by the United States military. From the brave men and women in our military and law enforcement, to the modern sportsmen and firearm enthusiasts, we are committed to delivering an exceptional product. From our advanced composite division in Ohio to our Montana facility, our composite materials, state-of-the-art machines, and attention to detail all come together to build world-class rifles. Our strict quality assurance is unparalleled. Every Proof barrel is single-point cut rifled, lead-lapped, and thoroughly inspected at multiple quality control stations. Our winding process precisely positions thousands of individual carbon fiber strands onto the barrel. Once the resin is cured, the carbon fiber is ground down, sanded, and polished by hand. Our stocks and rifles are designed, built, and assembled in-house. Following final assembly, each rifle is thoroughly inspected, then test-fired to ensure it meets our accuracy guarantee. And if it's not perfect, we fix it. Nothing leaves that isn't worthy of the Proof name. In an industry where standards are everywhere, just as a standard, we redefine it. We're pioneering the evolution of the firearm accuracy, performance, and reliability. This is the revolution. We are carbon fiber perfected.
All righty.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing that with us. So tell us a little bit about some of the jobs that you're hiring for.
Currently, we have quite a few positions open across all three shifts. We run three shifts at Proof. We run a classic day shift, night shift, and then a weekend shift. One of the advantages of our shifts is we work 4 10s during the weekdays. So our first and second shift will work 10-hour days, Monday to Thursday. And then our weekend shift does 36 hours, 12-hour days, Friday through Sunday. But they get compensated for the 4 hours to make a 40-hour work week in the weekend shifts. But the jobs we're hiring for are basically assembly, machine operators, that type of positions. We hire everybody from no experience to fully experienced coming in. Compensation's obviously dependent on experience, but we have many different types of jobs here that are classical manufacturing, from operating equipment, machinery, to assembly, warehousing, shipping, receiving, quality, purchasing, all of the classical types of manufacturing jobs.
Okay, great. What are some of the reasons why people love working for Proof?
Oh gosh, there's lots of reasons. It's just a great place to work. I think first and foremost is that we truly value our employees. We respect our employees, their input. They're a big reason to who we are and what we are. And it starts right off with the safety of our employees. We try to do everything world class here. We start especially with as it relates to our employees and the safety. We just came off a 2-year record of no accidents in our shop, which I think is phenomenal on our employees' behalf. But we treat everything down from our employees' input. They're a big part of we're a high growth company, and our employees are a big part of that. Their input, we value their knowledge, what they know, their input to our processes. And like I said, they've been a big part of our growth and who we are. Over the years, they've helped improve our efficiencies, I think over 10x at this point. And so we truly value our employees. Some other, we have great benefit packages, health insurance, 401ks, paid time off, holidays, profit sharing, list goes on. Another great benefit that we all enjoy as employees is the industry discounts. We get discounts in the firearms industry, along with Proof products too. Our environment is very clean. We run what we think is one of the cleanest machine shops in the country. So it's a very professional, nice place to work. Our equipment is new, state-of-the-art equipment. The building's very nice building to work in. There's just many reasons. Training, as I mentioned, we bring employees in with no experience, and we have a great training program of shadowing people till people feel safe and comfortable with what they're doing. We are a growing company. We've probably not quite doubled in business each year, but we've come close to it. Some years we do double our business. So there's lots of advancements, opportunities. We do prefer to promote from within. So all of our employees, if there's new positions open, we look to our employees first. I think in general, the products that we make are state of the art. We build some of the best firearms in the world, and it's something that our employees can touch and feel, understand the value of it, understand who the customer is, what the customers like about the products. So just lots of great reasons why to work here, and why it's a great place to work.
Awesome. What are some of the things that you look for? Somebody that's coming in with no experience in machining or manufacturing. What are some of the traits that you'd look for in a new hire?
Well, I think we first look at the people and make sure they're a good fit here. We're looking for people that are that can work well as a team. That are dependable, that want to do things better. Someone that's looking for a career, that wants to be with that wants to learn a trade and be somewhere long term.
Okay. Awesome. In terms of, you talked about your growth and being able to double your business every year. What are you most excited for specifically about where Proof is going over the next 5 years?
Oh, there's a lot of areas. We've our primary products here in Montana have been carbon fiber barrels, our full firearms. We just rolled out a line of carbon fiber stocks. We're always bringing in new exciting products. We're entering new markets. Our growth has been just incredible. We're busting at the seams with equipment in this building. So we anticipate, the need for future growth, future buildings. We have properties for expansion plans in the next 5 years. Our military side of the business has a lot of excitement in that too. We're putting a lot of R&D into some of our military products. So I think just not even over the next 5 years, the growth we're going to see in the next 1 to 3 years is substantial, and it's very exciting to be a part of a growing business.
I'm sure. Let me see if we have any questions from the audience. In terms of professional advancement or hiring, promoting from within, do you do anything with like tuition reimbursement for somebody to go to school, or can you talk a little bit about how your employees have moved up from those entry-level positions to some of the more advanced positions?
Yeah, I can talk with some real life specific examples. We do strongly encourage people to continue their education, and we support that. We have quite a few employees. I would say 4 employees off the top of my head that are attending FECC, and we work with their schedules to cater to their education schedule and support that. A lot of our positions that have grown from within are production supervisor that runs most of the production operations, started off right here at Proof Research, running equipment. All of our leads started right here. We have, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leads at this point. They were all promoted from within. Our front sales office, one of our salespeople were promoted from within production. Pretty much everything we do, we look first to promote our employees from within. So, again, I've mentioned we're a pretty classical manufacturing operation. There's opportunities in shipping, receiving, facilities, maintenance, purchasing, quality control. All of our quality inspectors started off on the floor, and most with little experience, and have gained the skills and the knowledge to move up. We have several levels within our assemblers and our machine operators that they can be certified and promoted to level 1, 2, 3, leads, floor leads, senior leads, that type of stuff.
Okay, great. In terms of, you said some employees that can, go to school, you work with their schedule. So will you hire people to work part-time, or do you primarily try to find people that can work full-time, but you'll schedule their shifts accordingly?
Well, our goal is to have people that work full-time. We do like to keep people at the minimum that they can keep their benefits and their insurance, and that's somewhere around, don't quote me on this, but I think about 30 hours a week. So we do have a couple of people that are less than 40 hours a week, but we do like people to work enough hours to maintain their benefits.
Yeah, that makes sense. Great. Well, I think that's all the questions we have. Let me just double check. So, is there anything else you'd like to add before I go to our closing slide?
No, I think just, again, our top goal here is to respect our employees. We do hire both direct for people with certain experience. We do hire through the temp agencies also for people coming in with no experience or not as much manufacturing experience. We convert all of our people from temps. Our current goal is to get people converted within 4 months to have full benefits and be a full Proof employee. And our goal here is to be a premier employer in Flathead Valley. We're working towards that. We want to be someplace that people seek to come to.
Awesome. Well, it seems like you're well on your way doing that. So good work.
Thank you.
Great. Well, let me share this again. It gives the website for anybody that's interested to go to proofresearch.com/careers. Is there anything you'd want to add to that for anybody interested or job seekers to where they should go or contact for more information?
I think that covers everything. Just through Indeed or through our website, or even through some of the temp services, there's opportunities to apply, and yeah, I think that covers it well.
Okay. Awesome. Well,
and obviously through the job service.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to chat with us today and share a little bit about Proof Research and the jobs that you're hiring for.
Well, thank you very much, Luke. I appreciate it, and I look forward to anybody that's interested to just give us a call or contact the job service.
Perfect. Well, thank you everybody for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you at our next panel. Thanks, Jim.
Thank you, guys.